Kylie. Just wanted to quickly hop on and give my honest review on this like cooking sheet with the lid combo. I think this is truly a game changer whenever I need to take like a sheet cake, cookies, something like that over to someone else's house. I now do not have to mess with the aluminum foil or the cling wrap, stuff like that. I just snap on this lid, which easily is on and then comes off just as easy as you can see here. So one other thing I love is that this is nice and high, so if you do have like some type of cake or something in here that goes a little higher, it won't like smash down on your food. So it's really high quality, easy to clean the plastic, and this is just a must for the kitchen. Definitely recommend this.